Alright, so I got one of these big pallets here. It's 24 by 48 tile. And I swear, the heavier the tile, the crappier the pallets they put it on. This thing's like barely holding together. I don't know what they call these pallets. I kind of call them block pallets because it's got these blocks all the way around it. That if you hit them with the tips of the forks or anything, it knocks the blocks out. So one of them is loose already on the front right here. So in order to put it on the truck, I had to slowly let them sit it on the truck while I placed the block under it. So I'm gonna have to do the same thing to get it off. Take it off nice and easy. And I'm gonna have to bring this block with me. You'll probably see it sitting here on the truck. Nope, it just fell on the ground. So I'm gonna have to bring this block over with me. It'll set the pallet down evenly. I hate this because it looks like I did something wrong, but the customer doesn't know any better. And I can't do anything special with this. I can't slide it, nothing. Straight drop it. And this is a heavy pallet of tile. How's that right there? Well, this is a factory rack pallet. You know, factory landing, which would be 28 plus whatever they put up top. Let me get the forklift. All right. They put the heaviest dang tile on the crappiest pallets. So you got 28 factory wrap, right? And then I see 29, 30, 31, and 32. That's your count, right? Yeah. Okay. And then only one bag of the ground? Yeah. Okay. What you working on?
Floor.
Oh, this is all floor?
Yeah.
Or outside?
Inside.
Inside, okay. Alright. No, I can tell by the way the pallet's in, it's just been moved around a lot. So if you do find any that are broken, you know, obviously you're covered. So
You got a shot at that.
I can if you'd like. The whole pallet. I call them block pallets because they're all in blocks, the bottom.
Yeah.
But I mean, you can see on this side, it's missing the one in the middle. It's missing some on the inside. I had to bring that one with me just to get it on the truck and get it off the truck. Otherwise, they weren't going to send it out today. So they're going to at least get the delivery over to you.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Yeah. But I'll put on the notes. It goes like in with the pictures to the computer system.
Okay.
Pallet in very bad shape. Could be damaged tile. customer will follow up.
I think they're gonna start laying it tomorrow, so we should.
Okay. Well, you know how tile is. You put the bad pieces aside, you know, cut pieces to start with,
Yeah.
and see where you're at. But regardless, I got you covered on the notes and the pictures.
Thanks very much.
All right, you're very welcome. All right, well, for a crappy pallet, that went about as best as it could go. One, I didn't have to lay it down on the concrete and worry about scraping my fork. Two, he didn't want me to put it anywhere crazy. And three, he was happy. I took my pictures, put the notes in for him. Just in case he comes across any damage, that pallet's obviously been moved around a lot. Kind of, yeah, it's my opinion, just really mishandled for as big as squares of tile there are, or rectangles. It's 24 by 48 tile. Those are big slabs of tile. So it wouldn't take much to damage those. Those are thin cases too. They don't come too many to a case. So once again, take your notes, take your pictures, cover yourself. But that's it for that one. Real quick and easy. Give me a like or comment if you want, and then subscribe to the channel if you're new to this, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you.